Okay, another thing that I want to get done is see if I can't fix my Ortho Dial N Spray. For those of you that have been watching my videos for a little while, you'll know that last fall I was having some issues with it. And to be honest, I'm totally taking the blame on this. I was rinsing out the tank, but I wasn't running any water through the actual nozzle to clear that system out. The hose that sticks into the bottle sucks the material up and disperses it into the yard. I wasn't cleaning that. And so I think over time it just started building up in there and building up and building up and causing issues. So what I want to do today is run some water through the tank, run some water through the whole system, and see if I can't clear it out and get some of these macronutrients down into the grass. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna be just running clean water in the tank and just trying to rinse this out and rinse whatever's built up in here out. You can see the end of the straw is pretty rusted, likely from all the iron that's in the stuff I use. But if worse comes to worse, I'll just get a new sprayer. I'm happy to do it. They're very inexpensive anyway, and it's probably good punishment for me for not taking care of this. So I'll fill this up, and then I've got it set at the highest setting, and hopefully we can clean this out pretty well. Okay, I'll call that successful. It's clearly emptying the tank, and that's great. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get some product in here and see if it will clear that out as well. Okay, this is what's going down today. This is the RGS and Humic 12, both from Green County Fertilizer. This one has humic and fulvic acid and sea kelp. This one, of course, just humic acid. And what we'll do is 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet each. So for this video, I will do the front yard, which is 2,000 square feet. So we'll have 6 ounces of each going down in the front yard today. So we'll go ahead and shake these up really good and get them in the tank and get it in the ground. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and consider that Dial N Spray redeemed. Really helped to fill the tank up with water and then just run the sprayer and just let that water go through the straw, up through the entire system. And that worked out really, really well. And it's still functional, it's still working. I went ahead right after that and put in the RGS and the Humic 12, both in separate applications. and I didn't have any issues after that. It worked out really, really nice and as expected. And of course, remember that the Dial N Spray is not a perfect product. You're not gonna get a perfect application. It's not gonna be 100% consistent. It's a great product. It's just not perfect, and I don't think we can expect perfection from these hose end sprayers. As long as they're bringing the product up out of the tank and into the soil, that's all that matters. If we get a mostly consistent spray, that's great. So I'm gonna go ahead and consider today a success, and in the future, starting today, I'm going to remember to rinse out that Dial N Spray with water as soon as I'm done, clean it out, and then I can put it away and it will be ready to go for next time. And of course I can count on it working then. So with that, thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to putting out more products in the lawn, of course, like this, macronutrients. I have the biostimulant pack from Greene County Fertilizers. So throughout the season, I'll definitely be talking about those products. There's other products as well that I'm looking forward to getting my hands on and applying to my program. So look forward to those, and look forward to those videos in the future. So with that, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.